If your construction business isn't using AI, you're already behind the curve. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It has become the backbone of how modern businesses grow, compete, and operate. And if you're still waiting for the right time, your competitors are already moving ahead. Today, I am going to tell you how to use AI in the construction business. Let's break it down. AI can be used across all phases of the construction business, from initial planning to post-construction maintenance to enhance efficiency, safety, and decision-making. The global AI in construction market size was valued at 4.86 billion US dollars in 2025 and is projected to grow to 7.21 billion US dollars by 2029 and 40 billion US dollars by 2034, exhibiting a compound annual growth rate of 20 to 28% during the forecast period. North America dominated the AI in construction market with a market share of 38.93% in 2024. There are three major stages in construction where AI can completely change the game. Number one, pre-construction. This is where all the planning, design, cost estimating, and scheduling happen. AI helps you make smarter decisions before anyone even steps onto the job site. Number two, on-site construction. This is the execution phase. AI keeps the project on track, monitoring progress, improving safety, spotting issues early, and reducing delays. And number three, post-construction. Once the building is handed over, AI helps with maintenance, operations, and long-term performance, making sure everything runs efficiently. So let's break these down one by one. Pre-construction, planning, design, and estimating. This is where every great project starts, and AI is helping contractors save time, reduce human error, and make smarter decisions before construction even begins. Smarter cost estimation and bidding. AI can analyze past projects, material pricing, and market trends to build highly accurate estimates and bid proposals. That means better budgeting and a higher chance of winning profitable jobs. Better design with generative AI. Architects and engineers can use AI to instantly explore multiple design options based on safety, sustainability, cost, and performance goals. It's like having a digital co-designer that helps you avoid costly redesigns later. Optimize scheduling and site planning. AI can run thousands of what-if scenarios to build the most efficient schedule, making sure materials, labor, and equipment are in the right place at the right time while reducing delays. Proactive risk detection. Instead of finding problems halfway through the build, AI reviews documents, site data, and past project issues to flag risks early, from compliance concerns to contract gaps, helping teams take action before setbacks happen. Faster document management. With AI reading PDFs, drawings, and contracts, information becomes instantly searchable and organized. No more digging through folders or missing key details. Everything is right at your fingertips. Construction, execution, and monitoring. Once the project hits the job site, AI becomes a powerful teammate, helping your crew stay safer, work faster, and reduce costly surprises. Safety monitoring with computer vision. AI cameras can spot risks in real time, like workers without PPE or equipment operating too close to danger zones, and instantly alert supervisors. It's like having an extra set of eyes focused on preventing accidents. Higher quality, less rework. AI can analyze photos and drone footage to catch cracks, alignment issues, or anything that doesn't match the plan, early enough to fix things before they turn into expensive rework. Predictive maintenance for equipment. Instead of waiting for machinery to break down, AI tracks performance data, temperature, pressure, vibration, and warns you when maintenance is needed. More uptime, less panic. Real-time progress tracking. With drones and 360-degree cameras capturing daily visuals, AI compares what's built versus what's planned in the BIM model. It helps project managers see progress instantly and stay ahead of schedule delays. Robotics and automation on site. Robotic bricklayers, layout printers, and autonomous vehicles are taking over repetitive, high-risk tasks, boosting productivity while letting skilled workers focus on supervision and decision-making. Post-construction, maintenance and operations. Even after the project is complete, AI continues delivering value by keeping the building running efficiently and reducing lifetime costs. Smarter facility management. AI monitors building systems like HVAC, lighting, security, and elevators in real time, spotting waste, predicting failures early, and recommending maintenance before a breakdown happens. That means happier tenants, lower energy bills, and fewer emergency callouts. Now, how to start using AI in your construction business. You don't need to transform everything overnight. Here's a simple roadmap. Find your biggest pain points. Are there delays? Cost overruns? Safety issues? Slow estimating? Start where AI can drive the biggest improvement. Choose the right tools for your needs. Look at AI platforms that match your workflow. For example, scheduling, Alice Technologies, estimating, Toggle AI, fully integrated project systems, Oracle Smart Construction Platform. Pick one that gives quick wins. Connect AI with your existing systems. Make sure the new tech works smoothly with your BIM, ERP, or project management tools so data stays clean and useful. Train your team. Humans are still in charge. AI provides insights, but skilled people make the final call. Good training builds trust and confidence in the technology. Start small, scale fast. Begin with one department or one pilot project. Once the results are clear, expand across the business. AI isn't replacing construction workers. It's helping them build smarter, safer, and more profitably. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. And comment below if you want to follow up on the best AI tools for contractors. I'd love to help you dive deeper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.